Wow, we got 3 of them. You can hear them singing. Oh, they found my food. Now we have so many of them at the same time. Now they're flying. They will come back. It's a nice sunny day in Calgary. Here, there's another one come. A lonely guy. Yes, I left some little nuts for this little guy to eat. They enjoy it. Let's see if some more is coming before we're gonna say arrivederci. But no one is coming. I think some is flying. You can hear them on the background, and here is my friend. He like it here, so. And there's another one coming, and he's gonna chop, 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 and flying. And there is some more, and he's gone. I enjoy this one. Oh, he's my friendly guy. Chop, chop, chop,